guys, we're back with another video, and today we're gonna play some Roblox Bedwars, and we're gonna use the Lyla kit to dominate in season 10 rank. So let's get right into today's video. Okay, first game. Basically, our plan is just like follow one of our teammates and just help them and like So there's blue light right here. I don't know where he's going, but he's going somewhere. Got him. Now I'm running for seal. No, bro, this pink guy just came out of nowhere. Okay, let's go. Oh, that's good. Nah, see ya, bro. Bro, I'm leaving my teammate. Yeah. Where? Yeah, I'm leaving. I don't care. Wait. Oh, they're both rushing. Bro.
Karma is your friend.
Me, bro. No running from me, Grim Reaper. No running, bro. Never run from me, okay? Learn to never run. Don't be a lazy scared cat. This guy's Marina. Oh my god, this is bad. Hey, what can you do without your Marina? Wow, you're not even good at PvP, bro.
Emotional damage.
That's what I expected with that there. Marina's just an OP kid, okay?
Karma is your friend.
What the hell? Why am I taking all these damage? My teammate is waiting me to die. Where's your teammate? Guys. Oh my god, that was so scary because I was there. Let's go. Nice job, teammate. Yeah, die. Let's go. Another bet. Let's go, bro. Your Whisper's not gonna save your life, okay? Usually, you're not gonna get this random mission, bro. Oh my god, that was so close. No, I'm going back to base, bro. I have 6 emeralds. I'm getting crossbow first. And then time to go back. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with my aim. Okay, that clearly shot him, but I don't know what happened. Let's go, bro. Our teammates are W teammates, bro. We have W teammates. Oh, give me this umbrella. I need it. Hey, over here. Hey, that's what you get for killing my teammate, okay? You're not gonna kill my teammate anytime soon, okay? Oh, I'm running, bro. See ya. I don't care, bro. See ya, Graham. See ya. Yeah, see ya. Yeah, she's done. I'm gonna go back to base, bro. What is wrong with your mind, bro? I'm gonna die anyway, I think. Am I gonna die? I can't. Eldrick here. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is W teammate, bro. We got a W teammate here, bro. Yeah, he thinks he's gonna do something, bro. He can't do anything. And one more of this, I'm gonna not gonna buy it. Oh my god. Too much stuff. Too expensive. Yeah. I got boots. We got boots. Oh, what magic do we have? Oh, let's go. We got magic too, so I'm gonna get something with the magic too. And no hiding, bro. No hiding. No hiding from Papa, okay? No hiding from Papa. I don't care. No hiding from Papa, okay? Understand? No hiding from Papa. And no one can get our back. Let's go. We got the Titan. We got the Titan. We love the Titan. And you can't outrun him. That works faster. What is this guy trying to do, bro? We're gonna die anyways. You can't run from Ike's cube, bro. Hey! What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? I'm going back to the left of the dollar dude, bro, guys. Look at this inventory, bro. We have a lot of food. Okay, don't get all tired. Get all tired. But this guy actually thinks I'm using a macro, bro. I never use a macro. Who allowed you to do that, bro? Yeah, that's what you get for killing my teammate. This guy is literally mad. He's literally calling me a hacker for some reason. Just stop lying, bro. I'm not even hacking, bro. Just get good at the game if you're just gonna get good at the game, bro. Not gonna take our bet, bro, because yeah. And I got a head on this. That's very real, so yeah. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. This is literally scaring me a lot, guys.
Emotional.
Because I need to get something better than this, okay? I need to get something better. But look in the chat, bro. The whole pink team's literally yapping, bro. Wait, let me do something. Siege! Siege TNT, bro. Siege TNT. Let's see what will happen, bro. Oh my god, the damage on the Siege TNT is crazy, bro. You can't beat a normal Siege TNT, by the way. Yeah, that's what happens if you have a Siege TNT, guys. It literally blew me up. That's the crazy part of the Siege TNT, bro. I literally killed myself with the Siege TNT. my god.
Emotional damage.
See you guys in the next video. See ya.